Okay, so starting from today, we have a few, very few fundamentals coming up today. So to start with, we have the Washington birthday. So today is a public holiday in the US. Now, what that means is all the banks in the US will be on holiday. Okay, so meaning there will be very low volatility in the markets. For a day like this, I actually think it's not a good day to trade at all, if you ask me. Okay, it's not a good day to trade. But having said that, coming from last week, uh, the dollar is actually weak for me, coming from last week. So, which makes it a little dicey because when there is public holiday, the the dollar ought to be strong due to scarcity. So I'm supposed to be buying the dollar, but coming from last week market, the dollar is weak. So which makes dollar a little bit on the ranging side. So um, that said, we have few other news. We have this the loan prime rates by CNY, which came out as forecasted. All right, both the 5 years rates as well also came out as forecasted. Then we had a little drop in the consumers' confidence for euro, and we are still expecting the FDI is already 8. I wonder why it's not yet out. Okay, so we are still expecting that. Then we have down the line for today. Let's ignore the sentiments. We have consumers output, construction output, unemployment rate as well, all on the euro. Okay, see, there will be no much action today at all. All the actions will be based on the euro. So that said, I don't expect much action on the dollar. We can see the market is ranging down currently on the DXY, but because it's a public holiday, I might still see the dollar going back up. I want a surprise, so I might want to avoid the dollar pair. But that said, if there was nothing will make me to buy the dollar. I don't see the need to buy the dollar because from last week Friday, I anticipated a buy on the Euro USD, and my buy still remains intact. All right, although I'm expecting a retracement. If that retracement happens, it becomes a better opportunity to take more buy entry. So any retracement around 1 point, possibly a good retracement to 1.065 would be a good place to buy from. Okay. 1.064 will not be bad, but my stop loss still remains at the last low. The RAW support there is 1.06. So if I want to take a buy, my stop loss would be 20 pips away from the last low, which is 1.056. Yeah. My first take profits would be 1.075. Then my take profit 2 1.085. Then take profit 3 is 1.09. That's my outlook for Euro USD. Okay, so again, I want to buy the gold, but I want a little retracement before I join the buy. But my bias currently on gold is a buy, and there's a lot of tension between USD and the Chinese government right now due to the balloon outcome. Okay, so for the balloon, aside the balloon as well, China is also looking at providing military support for Russia to invade Ukraine. Okay, all of these factors. Question you ask yourself fundamentally is who is going to benefit and who is going to lose. All right, automatically, if there is an increased invasion of Russia in Ukraine, the Eurozone gets to suffer. So who gets to suffer? Eurozone. So for me, Japanese economy gets to benefit. So I'll be selling the Euro JPY if the war in Ukraine intensifies. Okay, and then another fundamental outlook is we're looking to finally sign the Brexit deal. All right, we're looking finally to sign the Brexit, and that happens. I think it means pound. We have a lot of obligations to clear off some certain settlements that will be signed in that agreement, and I might see euro pound dropping even way below 0.88. I think we started selling on Friday as well. So I might want to see the pound drop some more if that deal puts through. Okay, all the way down to 0.87. So I want to still keep to the sell side of Euro GBP. But for now, today is not really a good day to trade, if you ask me. Okay. My bias for the Japanese pair still remains a buy. Let's check out the JPY index. So my bias still remains a buy. The market is not yet open yet, but at least I want to still take the buy side all the way back up to around 75.0, or my TP2 now be right around 76.0. So I will still keep my bias for a sell side, especially for NZD JPY on Wednesday. That will be releasing the interest rate. If that interest rate is not increased, I will be seeing a massive sell-up on Wednesday for NZD JPY. The sell formation is already there. Okay, so if we just be looking at the economic calendar, and we'll see what happens. So for tomorrow, starting on tomorrow, we'll be having a lot of high impact news for tomorrow. All right. AUD, even the AUD minute reading will also be out. That will decide if AUD JPY is going to be weak. That will decide if AUD JPY will continue its drop. But currently, all of these markets are ranging due to low volatility in the market today. So that's my outlook so far, and think I'll stop the recording for now. So if you have any pair you want us to take further look at, you can just mention the pair. Let's analyze it together. Please, you can follow me on YouTube and like and subscribe. Thank you.